पहले क्या होता था, सब लोग आर्किटेक्ट से ही करवाते थे इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग भी, बिकॉज nobody wants to pay extra to the interior designer यहाँ कश्मीर में. I started getting interested in fashion also because it was so much fun to design new clothes, to design new things. I honestly love clothes. मैं तो whatever I create, it's like basically it takes a lot of thinking because मैं हर चीज perfection से करना चाहती हूँ. तो मैंने इंडो वेस्टर्न भी लाया है, मेरे पास एथनिक भी है, सब कुछ. Like I've kept variety for every client and all budget.
So Amina Shah is budget friendly.
Yeah, it's budget friendly for the mass, everybody. मेरे लिए ना quality is the utmost thing. Like in my designs also, the fabrics you will see, the quality will be very good.
खुशामदीद लवली पीपल्स, आप देख रहे हैं शी मीन्स बिजनेस और मैं हूँ उमायमा ऋषि. नाजरीन, आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत क्यूट सी गेस्ट बैठी हुई है. From interiors to designing, she is someone who's proving that work becomes powerful when creativity blends in with vision. We have an interior designer and a fashion designer with us today, Amina Shah.
Hi, hello.
Amina जी, वारे असल पर खुश पट.
बस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
ओके, सो आमिना जी, मैं शुरू से शुरू करूंगी, ठीक है?
जी.
आप मुझे अपने बारे में बताएं, आप कश्मीर में कहाँ से हैं और तालीम कहाँ से हासिल की?
जी, मैं बेसिकली आई लिव इन निशात, मैं निशात से हूँ. तो आई गॉट मैरिड, देन आई शिफ्टेड टू पीर बाग.
ओके, लवली.
तो नाउ आई लिव इन पीर बाग. सो या, एंड मेरी जो स्कूलिंग हुई है वो प्रेजेंटेशन कॉन्वेंट से हुई है.
लवली, सेम
10th तक. ओह वाह.
ओके.
And then for 11th 12th I went to DPS, Delhi Public School. And then afterwards I went to Delhi for my interior designing. And then I stayed there, and I also went to Milan for a student exchange from my college. So I did a project there also in Milan. Yeah.
Okay.
Italy.
So were you always into like मुझे interior designing करनी है या fashion के साथ associate रहना है?
Not actually specifically interior designing or fashion. I was into designing. I really love designing anything, like be it a space, be it like clothing. Like I was very much into designing. Like नहीं, मुझे कुछ करना है, कुछ नया सीखना है, you know.
तो creativity थी हमेशा से.
हाँ, I love softwares, working on different type of software. So you know, तो मेरा वो हमेशा से था कि मुझे different type of softwares पे काम करना है. I have to learn new things, learn new projects. सब कुछ मेरा वो designing perspective से ही था. Like design, any beat, anything, fashion or interior. But interior का मेरा ये था उस time पे, you know, like my fufu who was very much into furniture, ये सब. तो एक बार मैं उनके घर गई, तो he was like, you know, back in 2000 I think 16 में. तो he was like, यहाँ पे ये सब नहीं है, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर कोई नहीं है, you know, you कोई नहीं था, I think barely anybody. तो he was like कि नहीं, तुम पता है, तुम करो कुछ ऐसा इंटीरियर से रिलेटेड. I was like कि क्या, क्यों, मतलब I like fashion more. तो he's like नहीं, इसमें अभी इसमें स्कोप है बहुत, तो you can do a lot of stuff in interiors. तो that's how I, you know, got like थोड़ा सा वो attraction हो गई towards interiors. फिर मैंने बहुत रिसर्च की, लाइक आई स्टार्टेड नोइंग अबाउट इंटीरियर स्टाफ. ये वो मेरे को वो इंटरेस्ट खुद ही जाग गया आफ्टर सीइंग. इवन लाइक आई वाज वेरी मच फैसिनेटेड अबाउट गौरी खान वाला थिंग. आई वाज लाइक ओके, शी इज आल्सो एन इंटीरियर डिजाइनर.
आई सी.
तो देन आई वेंट टू दिल्ली फॉर दैट. Then उसके बाद तो फिर I did interior designing there. Yes.
So then you went to Milan.
Yeah, I went to Milan also for student exchange from my college. तो वहाँ पे भी I did a hotel group project with them. I was there for 2.5 months. तो I learned a lot of things there also. बहुत different है वहाँ का और यहाँ का. मतलब वहाँ पे like you learn different things, different type of people are there, different type of culture, architecture is so different there. तो वहाँ पे आपको different type of environment, different type of, you know, experience मिलता है वहाँ पे. So that is like, I mean, I think it's a must thing कि सब लोगों को exposure मिले बाहर का भी.
बाहर जाके.
जी,
सही बात है. So मुझे बताएं, आप दिल्ली गई इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग के लिए, ठीक है? वहाँ भी आपका अच्छा खासा एक्सपीरियंस रहा होगा. Then you went to Milan. आपने बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत सारा मतलब लाइक सीखा होगा, lessons learned, observations होंगे अपनी. Now you're back to Kashmir and now you have your own thing over here.
Yes.
Right. तो जो एक्सपीरियंसेस आपने वहाँ गेन की, were you able to implement them over here?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
of course, yes. See, my college, Pearl, was a fashion college basically.
Acha.
So I was I was there for interior designing, but it was a fashion college. So क्या हुआ कि like even though I was learning interiors, लेकिन मेरे सारे friends basically fashion के ही थे.
अच्छा.
So I used to go with them हर जगह for shoots, for studio shoots, for everything, for like editorials, कुछ भी होता था उनका, मैं like I used to accompany them, my friends, ऐसे ही maybe like for fun, you know. Then it's मतलब मेरे को इतना कुछ सीखने को मिल गया फैशन में भी उनकी वजह से. तो मेरे को इंटरेस्ट आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ना, like I started getting interested in fashion also, because it was so much fun to design new clothes, to design new things. And in interiors, like obviously professionally I learned all the softwares in my college. It was so like all the big softwares, like jo it takes a lot of time to learn them, and it takes a lot of time to, you know, make things on those softwares as well. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी मेरे को, like in Delhi. इवन दिल्ली का इन्वायरमेंट, लाइक जो भी था वहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट्स हमें होते थे, वहाँ कैसे आप डे टू डे कैसे एक प्रोजेक्ट रन करोगे, यू नो, यू हैव टू गो वेंडर्स के पास, ये सब वो सब सीखा वहाँ पे. या इट
बहुत दूर अच्छी रही.
हाँ, इट हेल्प मी अ लॉट. माय कॉलेज हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट एंड माय फ्रेंड्स एज वेल इन दिल्ली. या
सो यहाँ आके
हाँ जी,
कहीं किया आपने अपनी इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग?
Yeah, I was freelancing with my friend Afsa. She is a known interior designer back then, and now she shifted to Dubai. तो तब हम साथ में कर रहे थे. तो back in like 2019 I did for a year, I did freelancing यहाँ वहाँ projects, like मेरे कुछ उसी के like we had हमने साथ में किया हुआ था एक दो projects, like departmental store, किसी का studio, like even hotel में I helped her. So and plus मेरे सारे जो relatives वगैरह उनके offices वो सब ये सब, so I was doing here and there. बहुत सारे projects किए उस साल में मैंने.
अपने ही लोगों में शुरू किया?
हाँ, अपने ही लोगों में शुरू किया. yes.
So मतलब ये कब की बात है?
2019. Yeah.
मतलब अब हम देख रहे हैं like it's getting more prevalent nowadays.
Yes.
उस वक्त लोग prefer नहीं करते थे इंटीरियर डिजाइनर.
नहीं, सब लोग
खुद ही करते थे.
सब लोग एक्चुअली पहले क्या होता था, सब लोग आर्किटेक्ट से ही करवाते थे इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग भी, because nobody wants to pay extra to the interior designer यहाँ कश्मीर में, honestly speaking. But now अब जो अवेयरनेस आ रही है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता यहाँ पे कि नहीं, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर की भी जरूरत है, like they have their own thinking, they have their own creativity apart from architecture. तो इसकी डिमांड भी बढ़ रही है slowly.
So you are thinking like अब आपको लग रहा है, are you observing that things are changing?
Yeah.
Are they preferring an interior designer?
Yes, definitely. I see so many houses building अब मेरी सोसाइटी में कि वो इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स कर रहे हैं, not architects. So I'm like now they have opportunities here. So I'm very happy for that. Yeah, I'm very happy क्योंकि सबका अपना अपना फील्ड होता है, you know, they specialize in that thing only. So अगर आप you know, being in some other field, then you're doing something else, मतलब उसमें भी you can do, but you know, मतलब you can't excel that much जो आपका already अपना फील्ड है.
Yes.
तो वो है. Yeah.
So यहाँ भी आपने काफी इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग वगैरह की?
हाँ जी.
Okay. Are you looking forward to have a firm for it?
Yes, inshallah. After this thing, I will, inshallah, I'm planning to open a firm maybe in the future after a couple of years.
For now, you have done it on your own.
Yes. Freelancing. I was freelancing for that.
Lovely. So ये तो थी इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग की बात. मैं आगे बढ़ूं, आजकल आप फैशन में चली गई हैं.
हाँ जी.
है ना? वो कैसे हुआ?
Like I told you, मैं फैशन स्कूल में ही थी, तो मैंने वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सीखा, like being around fashion people, around fashion students. तो मेरे को कपड़ों का बड़ा शौक था, like मैं पहले से, even अगर मुझे बाहर like, you know, departmental store पे भी जाना होता, I used to dress up for that. So my friends were like, you are always dressed up, like you never are in your night suit or, you know, track suits. I'm like, I love dressing up. तो मेरा वो हमेशा से पैशन था कि कपड़े बनाऊं मैं, या you know, पहले मैंने स्टार्ट किया अपने लिए ही कपड़े बनाना. I started posting it and people started liking it. तो मेरा वो इंटरेस्ट बढ़ गया जब मैंने रिस्पॉन्स देखा. So it made me think कि नहीं, I can also make it a business for myself. And mostly actually मेरा ये क्या था कि like I had a delivery अभी recently 2 years back. I am having a baby also. तो मेरा I wanted some stability in it. Like मुझे चाहिए था कि I don't भाग दौड़ नहीं ज़्यादा कर सकती थी. तो मुझे क्योंकि अपनी बेटी को भी टाइम देना था, सो यू नो आई वांटेड समथिंग कि मैं स्टोर खोलूँ, वहाँ जाऊँ, एंड यू नो आई शुड वर्क देयर ओनली, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू यहाँ वहाँ, यू नो, राइट. तो इसीलिए दैट्स व्हाई आई शिफ्टेड टू फैशन. तो एंड फैशन का हमेशा से लाइक आई लव्ड clothes. I honestly love clothes. मैं तो whatever I create, it's like basically it takes a lot of thinking because मैं हर चीज़ perfection से करना चाहती हूँ. Like nothing like I don't want to be like मैं bulk में I want to create in bulk, but I don't give quality. I'm
Yes.
focusing on quality over quantity here. तो मैं एक पीस लाइक मैं वही बनाती हूँ जो मैं खुद को भी पहनूं लाइक जो मैं खुद पे भी लगा सकूं. ये नहीं कि मैं सिर्फ कस्टमर्स के लिए बना रही हूँ, वो भी आई एम यूजिंग नॉट गुड मटेरियल्स. तो मैं ऐसा लाइक आई सोर्स ऑल द मटेरियल्स which are good quality, like the best quality I can afford for them, and it should be cheap also so that I can cater the mass here.
Yes,
That is true.
So is this Amina Shah's closet?
Yeah.
Lovely.
I'm wearing this easy breezy Malchanderi kurti set from Amina Shah.
Lovely. So पहले आप ये online ही कर रही थी. Now you have a store for it also.
Yes.
Right?
Now I inaugurated my store like 2 days back, 2 to 3 days back.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
So when did you basically start it online?
It was like 2 years ago. I started my page, and seriously, I was not that serious that time कि नहीं मुझे हर दिन पोस्ट करना है क्योंकि 2 साल पहले ही मेरी डिलीवरी भी हो गई थी.
अच्छा ठीक.
तो I started with shoots. I made a shoot first. तो उससे मैंने स्टार्ट किया. तो उसके बाद जब मैंने रिस्पॉन्स देखा तो बहुत अच्छा आने लग गया. Then I started posting it also. So yeah, like I started with page basically 2 years back.
And then you gained good customers.
Yes. My clients are mostly because of my page only. Yeah.
So अभी अगर देखें on average like monthly basis पे चलो मैं पूछ लेती हूँ, like how many orders do you get? Or people customize, right?
I just started my store few days back. Like before that, I used to get a like good amount of people. Like maybe month में 10-15 people was good enough for me because मैं उससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं manage कर पाती. Neither I take because I like I told you, like I want to give quality product. I don't want to take a lot of work. फिर मैं quality नहीं दे पाऊँगी.
Is that the thing that is different about Amina Shah?
Yeah, actually, like because like I told you, I'm very particular about my things. Like I overthink about stuff. Like even small से small चीज़ हो, छोटे से छोटी चीज़ भी है, I have to think about it. Like I have to make sure कि ये perfect हो. तो मेरे लिए ना quality is the utmost thing. Like in my designs also, the fabrics you will see, the quality will be very good. Like I assure that. Yeah.
Okay, that's lovely.
Yeah.
So now that you're also a mother, okay, आप कह रही हैं कि आप चाहती थी कि हमेशा से आप quality भी provide करें लोगों को, और at the same time जो आपकी personal life है, being a mother, you wanted to have stability in that as well. So are you able to do that? How are you balancing?
Honestly, पहले it was very difficult for me to balance both the things because it was a new venture and मेरे को सारा टाइम देना पड़ता था. But thankfully, because of my supportive husband and my supportive in-laws also,
Lovely.
very supportive in-laws, so they were like, "Nee, we will handle her. You go and do something in your life." They were pushing me. They were my backbone for my business. Honestly, like even my own parents, they were like pushing, "Nee, you keep Ilyana with us. You keep your daughter with us. तुम जाओ, तुम करो अपना काम." तो मेरे को लेकिन वो attachment थी, मेरे को वो guilt feeling आती थी, like
Exactly.
of keeping her, alone. I was like, they were like, "नहीं, करो तुम्हें ये opportunity." So I didn't want to lose this opportunity. कल को I'll be lazy. Then I won't be able to do it. So I think my biggest supporters were my husband, my in-laws, and my parents. So because of them, they pushed me so much. They take care of Ilyana. So that's why I'm a little free and I can do all these things and I have time to do all designing and everything. Yeah.
So how is the store going at the moment?
Store, alhamdulillah, it's going very good. Like I didn't expect a good response starting में इतना ज़्यादा. I'm actually overloaded with work right now.
Lovely. Which is good.
Alhamdulillah, it is going very good. Yeah, I was actually मुझे लोगों ने बोला था कि store खोल के you will have more clients. So it actually turned out that.
So have you employed some of the peoples over there?
Yeah, I have like मेरा कारीगर वगैरह, मेरा टेलर वगैरह है. Not a lot of. I've not hired a big team right now, but I have a sales girl. I have कारीगर, टेलर, वो सब है मेरे पास. Like I have employed like 3-4 people only अभी तक. Yes, it's not like अभी मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कि I don't want to invest a lot of
money
in
just
this.
started,
Yes, because मेरे फिर like keeping the price point also, like I don't want to increase the price of my product also, because if I hire a lot of people, then I have to keep the price like that also.
So Amina Shah is budget friendly.
Yeah, it's budget friendly for the mass everybody. So yeah, I have like different type of like clothing also, like Indo-Western यहाँ कोई नहीं कर रहा था अभी, so मैंने Indo-Western भी लाया है, मेरे पास ethnic भी है, सब कुछ, like I've kept variety for each every
Okay.
client and all budget. Yeah.
But how are you managing quality with, budget friendly purchases?
Because I I find my best of the best sources जहाँ भी होता है. I travel for that. I go to different places to source the best material. And मैं properly quality check करती हूँ. Like properly I know fabrics a lot. Like I am very fond of fabrics. तो मैं quality भी check करती हूँ सबकी. And my prices, like मैं different जगहों पे जाके different prices vary करती हूँ. And then I go back जो मुझे लगता है कि जहाँ पे सबसे अच्छा लगा मुझे क्वालिटी. एंड या इट इज एक्चुअली वेरी टायरिंग. सो आई गो सोर्सिंग एवरी 2 months 3 months मैं सोर्सिंग करने जाती हूँ फॉर माई क्वालिटी. नाउ आई हैव माई कंटैक्ट्स. नाउ दे आर माई लाइक रेगुलर कंटैक्ट्स. आई नो कि उनसे जो मैं लेती हूँ दे आर क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स. तो वैसे बनता है. लाइक या इट टुक टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट ऑल्सो. दैट्स वाई मैंने थोड़ा डिले भी किया स्टोर, बिकॉज आई मेड श्योर कि मेरी क्वालिटी मतलब आई वॉन्ट गुड क्वालिटी. या इसलिए आई टुक एटलीस्ट 2 years गैप, क्योंकि इंटीरियर्स भी मुझे खुद करने थे उसके.
And you are continuing that as well?
Yeah, no, I will open a firm in the future, but I am continuing. Yeah, freelancing right now.
तो आप दोनों चीजें कर रहे हैं?
Yes. But in that studio, it's just for fashion. But I'll be opening my own office for interiors as well. वहाँ पे भी I'll hire people
Lovely.
who will help me. Yes, in
That's
that.
great. Actually, nice to hear that.
मोहब्बत वही जो दिल से हो, इबादत वही जो दिल से हो, दुआ वही जो दिल से निकल आए, बात वही जो दिल से कही जाए, दोस्त वही पक्का जो दिल से साथ निभाए, रिश्ता वही बेजोड़ जो दिल से जोड़ा जाए. दिल से ही तो होते हैं इरादे चट्टान से, दिल से ही तो बनते हैं घर खाली मकान से. दिल से बनी हर चीज पुश्तों तक चलती है, इसलिए खैबर सीमेंट का जर्रा जर्रा दिल से बना है, ताकि आप जो कुछ भी बनाएं दिल से बनाएं. खैबर सीमेंट, दिल से बनाओ.
So ये जो आमिना शाह आपने पहना है,
जी.
what was the inspiration behind this design? And where do you get your inspirations from?
Actually, behind this design, I wanted something very summer friendly. Because आज इस साल ना जो heat हुई है, जो like गर्मी हो गई है, it is like everybody wants something जो इंसान पहन सकता है, wearable हो and easy in the pocket also. So I was कि मेरे को नहीं, मुझे ये मलचंदेरी fabric source करना है अच्छे से, because it is so.
You are looking yummy.
Really, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And a little bit floral also.
Yeah.
Plus, I
very light and breathable.
Yes. So main idea behind was like it should be breathable. Plus, मैंने cotton के pants बनाए, so that the pants will be also breathable. Shalwar. Yeah. So the idea was mainly because जो यहाँ summer heat आजकल चल रही है, जो cotton, even the cotton थोड़ा मोटा है इससे, तो मेरे को ऐसा fabric चाहिए था जिससे like जो ना इंसान पहने और बाहर जाए और गर्मी भी ना लगे, पसीना ना आए, sweat ना हो जाए. तो वो है, that was my main thing about this set. And
okay, lovely. Okay, so now that like you're dealing with both of these things,
yes.
interior designing and now you have an apparel business also, I want to know, जब आप अपने दोनों चीजें start की, you might have an instance or you might have that moment or experience in your head जब आपने जो आपका पहला कस्टमर आया होगा, या जो ऐसी पहली चीज होगी जो आपने डिजाइन की होगी.
पहली चीज I designed, I told you, it was for my own self. तो first customer, जो मेरा first customer था, she was an online customer.
Okay.
तो उसके लिए I had to design something, I told you, Indo-Western. तो she wanted blazer pants and everything, जो यहाँ कोई नहीं कर रहा था उस टाइम पे. तो she contacted me for that.
Lovely.
So उसके पीछे ना I did a lot of hard work of sourcing the material for that. And उस टाइम पे मेरे पास टेलर वगैरह भी नहीं, sourcing the right tailor for that, like looking for the right tailor for that. तो because blazer pants easily कोई women's tailor नहीं करता है, it needs a gents tailor, and अच्छा tailor होना चाहिए उसके लिए. फिर वो मैंने आई क्रिएटेड दैट पीस एंड इट गॉट वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स. वो बहुत हिट हो गया मेरा ब्लेजर पैंट्स जो पावर सूट्स में बना रही थी उस टाइम पे. देन शी गेव मी लाइक 4-5 ऑर्डर्स ऑफ द सेम थिंग इन डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड आई वाज लिटरली शॉक्ड क्योंकि मेरा तब नया नया लाइक फर्स्ट मंथ ही हुआ था. एंड सेम पैटर्न का शी ऑर्डर्ड लाइक 4-5 different colors and she's like I want. And then उसके बाद मेरे cousins, मेरे सारे रिश्तेदार उन्होंने भी देखा and they were like नहीं हमारे लिए भी बनाओ ये power suit and all that. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है बना लेती हूँ. And you know मतलब not a lot of people were doing that. Everybody like is like कि you know कहाँ पहनते कहाँ नहीं पहनते ऐसे blazer pants. But when you see girls going to offices and all that, जो doctors है engineers है मतलब जो लड़कियाँ हैं वो prefer करती है like ऐसे type के कपड़े भी आधे I mean जो लोग हैं वो करते हैं. आधे लोग obviously they want these cord sets for their office wear also. I have that also.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So talking about interior designing,
Yes.
I want to know like is there a project that you are very much proud of?
I did these huts, small huts in I think it was back in 2019 or 20. I did interiors of these cute huts. Like there were 5-6 of these huts and I think Kokarnak or somewhere like that. Yeah, I still have memory of that project because it was my first project in Kashmir. So yeah, I did that. So I still remember that was a very nice project.
So currently you are dealing with projects in Kashmir only.
Yeah. Because honestly, I don't have time of doing even outside Srinagar. I cannot manage right now. But once I open a firm, inshallah, I will.
You will.
Yes.
So before we move to our rapid fire and conclude, there is one question.
Okay.
Is there a guidance, a message, because you deal with a lot of things at the same time and on top of that you're a mother and a woman. So is there a message that you would want to forward to women who want to be like you?
Yes, of course. I would like to tell them that, you know, don't just, I mean, I feel like you people don't just need to sit at home and worry about your kids and family and everything. Just give yourself that opportunity to go and step out and do something for your own self. Because I feel that you guys owe that to yourself, yeah. So, I mean, you should go out and do something and, you know, feel independent. At the same time, take care of your family as well, your children as well. Balance everything, balance life. That's what I think.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's lovely. So shall we move to our rapid fire round?
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Minimalist or luxury?
I feel it should be balance of both.
Balance of
Minimalist and luxury. Yeah.
Can we balance both?
Yeah, why not? Yes.
Black or white?
I'm a black person.
Lovely, same here.
Yeah.
Cotton or silk?
I love cotton. It's so breathable. I can just breathe in it.
Heels or sneakers?
I'm a sneaker person.
Huh?
I hate heels now. I can't walk. After my delivery, I cannot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Home makeover or wardrobe makeover?
I think home. I love home makeovers, yeah.
Okay, one color you can never get tired of.
Black.
Black, yeah. That is true. One fashion trend you would never wear.
I think I don't really like Farsi shalwars.
Huh?
Yeah. A lot of people will say
Same
what?
here, I haven't worn them yet. I think मैं गिर जाऊंगी.
Yeah, I can't walk on that in them. Yeah, it's too much for me.
So lazy.
Yeah.
Okay. One interior trend you think is overrated.
I think maximalism. Yeah, I don't like that. I think it's very trendy right now, but I think it's overrated.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your dream celebrity home to design?
Dream celebrity home, Salman Khan.
Okay. One outfit you can wear forever?
I think loose Pakistani kurtis got set. I can wear forever. Yeah, they're so nice, comfortable. I just can wear them every time. Yeah.
Okay, last one. Complete the sentence. She means business because?
Because she is innovative.
That's different.
Yeah.
Because she's innovative
Yes.
and creative.
Yes.
So Amina, it was lovely having you.
Same.
And
Thank you so much for having me.
You have a vision and you have your creativity, and we wish you all the best ahead
Thank
with
you.
that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
It was
once
lovely
again.
meeting you and being here.
Thank you. So, my lovely peoples, This was our Amina Shah for today, and we had a lovely chit chat. And इस पूरी conversation से मेरे जहन में एक चीज़ याद रही जो आपकी भी रहनी चाहिए अगर आप business करते हैं, वो ये है कि never compromise on quality, which is her main focus, because true entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, they just don't leave their marks on walls and wardrobes, but they leave it on people they create for. So that's all for today. We are looking up for more women in business out there. Stay tuned, stay updated, and keep watching Kashmir Life. Ta-da!